What's up everybody, it's Dakota from First Gear Media, and today we are doing stuff for the Integra. I'm in the Infinity right now because we're going to go pick up some parts, hopefully, for this car. We're going down to LKQ, our favorite place. They have a 1998 Integra, just like mine, that just got there. Everything looks like it's good on it too, so I'm really excited to see it. Got all my tools loaded up. I'm just going to get some minor things, but there is a few body panels on my car that are kind of damaged, so if I can get some from there for a cheap price, let's do it. So, without further ado, we're going to head down there and see if we can find this car, even. Alright guys, so we finally made it out here to pick apart. Traffic is so bad, I don't know why. If any of you live in Austin, you know what I'm talking about, because, I mean, it takes an hour to get from North Austin to South Austin, and it's not even 5 o'clock, it's like 1. Or 2, something like that. But anyways, we're here. I'm gonna go get admission, and then we're gonna go try to find this Integra real quick and see if there's anything else that's cool in here also, because that would be nice. Alright guys, so we just got into pick apart and we're here. Unfortunately, I think we're a little too late for some stuff. Yeah, came to get that stupid emblem. That's gone. Maybe the bumper. Oh god, never mind. I might get the bumper off of this. Let's see, yeah, and I needed the door handle for this. Damn, everything in here is nearly taken off, so let's see here though. This is what I do need though, that stock muffler, because the muffler that came on my Integra is really eBay special, so I'm not going to use that anymore. So let me dive into this and I'll bring y'all along if I can find any usable parts. Everybody, it's not as bad as I thought. Obviously I couldn't get what I exactly wanted, but I was able to get the little sunshade, the original little sound deadening, and then the original rear carpet and the door handle I need, because yeah, you might not want that, but I do, because I like putting cars that are missing things back to either stock or just, you know, at least filling the gap. Mine is just completely drenched out and all that blah blah blah. I need this piece, but I'm going to have to figure out how to get that, because this door will not open no matter how much I try. So that's going to be a challenge. I'm really debating on taking the front bumper or not. I don't know. If I can get it off, we'll take it maybe. Okay everybody, that was a hell of a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, that was pretty rusted at first. Unfortunately, so I snapped one of them, but I mean, either my car has some that I could use, or I mean, it's just a couple bucks at AutoZone. I'm not carrying that much, but we got one bolt, so that's good. All that's left on it, let's see here. As you can see, it already fell. That's done, disconnected. I have to either pry or cut the last hanger over there, and then it should drop out, and we should be good with the muffler. So I mean, I wish there was more parts on it that I could take, but overall, for what I need on the Integra, we got a pretty good amount of stuff today. I'm really excited, so let me see if I can get all this stuff off, and then we'll hop back in the interior. Okay, so the muffler is almost off, and unfortunately it's not one of those ones where you can unbolt the little clips like that. So I tried my best to pop the clip off, and we both came to the conclusion that I was going to cut it in half, so I'll just buy new ones at AutoZone. So that being said, I've got this one, and I got the next one, and then we'll be done with this muffler. Okay guys, got those done. The muffler is in really good shape, honestly. It's a little scraped, but I mean, it's not penetrated, so I'm happy with this, because the exhaust on the Integra, I'll show you a sound clip when we get home. You already know, it's just awful. So this is going to do well for now until I can get something a little more higher quality. But let's go take this back to the car. On my way to the car, then I see the really clean Civic Coupe. I just did a walk around it. Besides the paint, nothing's wrong on it. It's all in good condition, and also, you see, it's a stick, and all the interior pieces are here. So I mean, this is really cool. I almost bought a Civic instead of my Integra, so if I did, I would have pulled parts off this thing. But if you're looking for parts, yeah, this is one right here, and there's a whole bunch more. But let's take this back, and then we're gonna go have fun. Hey Hey guys, so I loaded all that into the car. Now we're here to look for something cool. This is really nice. This is a 328i and it's in honestly really good condition too, like that Civic. Let's see what the interior is like. See, even this is not that bad, honestly. This would be if it was manual, this would be a really good drift project, honestly. It's still got nice wheels. Everything's straight on it too. Damn. But let's see if we can find something cool, or if we can find a K20 or a K24. This isn't anything cool or anything like that, but look at how bad this car is. It's been cut almost completely in half. Jesus. I don't know if it was the accident or just what, but damn, this is really sad to see. Here's another sad sight. This is a 91 EF hatch. I'm not sure if it was an SI or not, but it's always so sad to see these cool cars in places like this. Because, I mean, the interior is honestly still in really good shape. You know, for what's left. It's just the body's messed up. But, I mean, it's really sad to see. I like hatches too. It's even got the original. Look. That's so cool. Oh well. Okay guys, so we left LKQ and we just made it back home. Again, another hour. I'm actually getting pretty tired. But we're gonna unload some of this stuff and pull that Integra around. See if I can put that stuff in the back first, see how it fits, and then I'm probably, for the carpet, I'm gonna steam clean it. And I might dye it to match the color, because the one I pulled it out of was a tan interior and this one's a gray interior. Or I might just do black because I do want to do a full-on black interior, but we'll see because the carpet's tan, so... Or I'm sorry, the carpet's gray, but the little shelf is gray, so it's all good. And then the muffler will go on tomorrow because it's already getting pretty late today. So let's do that now. Hey everybody, so as you can see, this fit perfectly. I'm probably going to end up dyeing this because I want to keep this bluish interior. I know I have those seats, but those won't be in there long. Really happy with how it came out. I know it's small things, but like I said, I like older cars like this to have as many of the parts not missing as possible. So, and the reason I picked up this carpet was, as you can see, the original blue one was just in disgusting condition. Now, I'm going to put the other one in and see where we go. Like, yeah. Okay guys, I got that nasty ass old carpet out of here. Got this in there, I'm so happy. I have rust on the surface, thankfully it's only the surface, but I just finished up vacuuming out all the like the little loose rust and stuff like that. So I'm gonna have one of my friends fix it here soon. Those wires I guess were for a sub, and I have a trailer hitch. Yeah. I already tested those, touching them together, there's no spark or anything, there's no power to it thankfully, so I'm going to set them in here nice and neat, and then I'm going to put that in, and then put the carpet in, and then we'll figure out what to do with that. Okay guys, so I've come to the conclusion that I'm going to just get this completely steam cleaned and everything like that, because I put it in the car for now because I just wanted to see how it would look, but the entire car is going to be getting a professional detail very soon with steam cleaning and everything. But already, even though it's dirty, you can just tell this looks so much better than the other one. Everything's tucked under nicely. Granted it's dirty, but just, yeah, I mean, it's so much better. And it's just the little things, you know? So let's see what we can do about this. Another weird thing about my Integra that I'm just finding out, and I'm starting to love it. I'm about to move this to my little work area so I can change the muffler, but keep in mind that no feet are on the pedals, and it's a manual transmission, so I'm about to start it with the key. I guess it's something that I never knew existed, but I'm so happy, because I mean, that's the coolest thing. I'm sorry, it's so cool. And you know, manual. Alright, so enough of that, but I'm going to go back this up into my work area. Alright, so here's a more in-depth look at the exhaust my car came with. Thankfully it's just an axleback, but yeah. As you can see, if I can fit the whole camera in there. Oh. Unfortunately you can't, but that's why we got this thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the tripod and I'm going to show you how to break these loose and hopefully we can swap it out. But let me show you a sound clip before we get started. Guys, we got the old one off, as you can see right there. I mean, it seemed like it would have been a good exhaust, honestly, because it's really not bad looking. It's just, I don't know why, it is so damn loud. The rest of these exhaust is stock, it's just, that thing is stupid loud. But just for fun, before I put this beast back on, or I'm sorry, Behemoth back on, we're gonna see how this thing sounds completely straight pipe. So let's get a sound clip, and I'm sorry in advance. Hey everybody, so it is the next morning now, and this is the cold start of the factory exhaust. I started it last night when I was going to move it in the spot. It's so much quieter, but also it actually sounds really good, surprisingly, because, you know, like I said, I drive this car, pretty much it's going to be a daily, and that old exhaust, yeah, it sounded alright, it's just, it was so loud that I just could not handle it, and I never thought in my life I'd be putting a car making a car quieter. I always make them louder. I never thought I'd be taking off a exhaust and putting on the factory one again. This is shocking for me, but I mean, you understand where I'm coming from with this. So this is going to be a cold start of the factory exhaust on this car. So as you can tell, it's a hell of a lot quieter. And I mean, it does have a little bit of a growl to it, which is kind of cool, but I mean, it's dailyable level, and you know, I never thought, like I said, I'd be putting the car back to factory exhaust, but I mean, it sounds pretty good. And then even in the cabin, all you can really hear is the engine, but I mean, it's nice for the car, so it just, you know, it sounds pretty good. So that being said, I'm super happy overall with this video. We got our muffler, we got a whole bunch of interior pieces, and I was actually able to get a new ashtray that was like in immaculate condition. I didn't film that, but it just popped right in. It's no big deal. But yeah, so pretty much that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Super good video, pulling parts and stuff like that for this car. So I'm really happy to see it start to come together. So I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Next up on this car is probably going to be a professional interior and exterior detail, because I want to make it very clean, and then we might start going for an interior color change. We'll see about that. I'm thinking about doing the carpets and maybe the seats in black, because I have a black interior with everything else, and even the headliner too. I don't know if I want to do it in black or suede. Yeah, another thing too, let me know in the comments, what would you rather see on this Integra headliner? Do you want it just straight up black? Do you want to see suede? Or do you want to see that like Rolls-Royce Phantom, you know, the Starry Night headliner? I think that'd be sick. But just let me know if you want to see something on that. So, thank you all so much for watching, and then more to come on this. We will see you all next week. Have a great day.